Good morning, my coders. How are you? Hope you are doing well. Here I am going to explain the C programming Unit 1. These all are the topics of Unit 1 which we discuss one by one in different videos. Here first we have to understand what is computer, what is the functionality of computer, how it works with programming language. One by one we will discuss. Okay, so first we discuss what is computer. What is computer? It is an electronic device which convert raw data into meaningful information, or you can say you can give the input data into by the input devices, and we get the output by the output devices. Now one question will come in our mind, that what is data and what is information. What is data? Data is raw material. What does it mean? Means whatever we are collecting the data, that is raw, like we are writing on the notes, that is raw data. And what is information? When we process that data, that will become a information for us. Like in college, they gave that tomorrow is holiday, that is a information for us. But if they will write and keep with them only, tomorrow is holiday, then it is a data for them. Okay, so computer computer is classified into two parts: hardware and software. Hardware means physical devices which we can touch, which we can feel. Like when we see the computer, then we saw that it is a monitor, mouse, keyboard, which we can touch. So that is a hardware. Software is an instruction which we tell to the computer that we can't touch, we can't feel. That is a software. Software are of two types: system software and application software. System software, what is system software? Which that is a software which help in running the systems. Like operating system is the best example of system software. Utility software, uh, 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 system software. And what is our application software? Which we make a software for specific purposes. Like for chatting purpose, we make the WhatsApp, Facebook, that is a public site for chatting. Okay, for a library, for booking record, we use library software. There are many softwares which we make for a specific purpose, that is a application software. Normally we say that it is an app. Okay, so these are the softwares. Software is an instruction that tells to the computer what to do. Okay, so here I took the name operating system. What is operating system? Operating system is an interface between user or computer hardware. If there is no operating system, then there is no working in a system. Our system or our computer is like a box. Okay, now we move to the what is the architecture, means what is the working of computer, how it works. Here some input devices, output devices. We give the input, process the data in the CPU, and we get the output, and we store the data in the secondary storage devices. What are the input devices? Like keyboard, by which we give the input, mouse, we click, we select, or scanner. Scanner is a device by which we convert hard copy to soft copy. Okay, now we give the data by input device, it is going to the CPU, there it process. CPU are of three types: memory unit, control unit, and arithmetic logic unit. Memory unit means memory is divided into two parts: primary and secondary. Primary memory is of two types: RAM and ROM. RAM full form is random access memory. RAM RAM is a temporary memory in which data, when we write anything in a system, like if we write A in a system, until it is not saving, it is in a RAM. When we save it, then it move to the secondary storage device. Secondary storage device means like hard disk, pen drive, which we use to store the data for future use. Permanently we store the data, that is a secondary storage device. So RAM is the permanent temporary device, ROM is a permanent device. What is ROM? Read only memory, which we can't, data of inside the ROM we can't edit, we can't delete, we can't insert. So ROM data where we saw at the time of initialization of computer, means at the time of booting, we saw the data of ROM which we can't able to touch. Okay. Second part is the secondary storage devices, like where we save the data, like CD, DVD, floppy disk, hard disk, pen drive. There are many secondary storage device which where we store the data for permanently. Okay. Then second part is the CU. CU means control unit. Unit means it control unit is act like a manager in the computer, by which it organize the data, it manage the data, what is going on in the system. It is controlled by the control units. Like we open many folders in a system, then which folder you click first, it will open first, that will organize by the control unit. What is ALU? Arithmetic logic unit. Whatever the calculations are there in a system, that will done by the arithmetic logic unit. Then it process the data, whatever we enter the data by input device, it process the data, then it give the output on the output devices. Output devices like monitor, printer. What is printer? Monitor, you know, it is the TV like structure, it is work like a TV. Whatever we insert, it is visible on the monitor. Okay. There are two types of monitors are there, LCD and black and white also there, colored is also there, TFT is also there. So monitors. Printer. What is printer? Printer is a device by which we convert soft copy to hard copy. Scanner I told you here, to hard copy to soft copy, here printer to soft copy to hard copy. Okay. Third one is the speaker. What is a speaker? Speaker by which we listen anything, by which we get the audio anything. So we which by which we get the voice, that is a speaker. That is also a output device. We play the music by the input device, we get the output by the speaker. Okay. Our next topic is programming language. First we have to know what is program. What is program? Set of instruction which we given to the system is known as program. Set of instruction. When we talk about the compute means programming language, then it is a set of syntax which we given to the system and it will give the output. है ना? So what is program? It is a set of instruction which we give to the system, that is a program. And what is a programming language? By which language we are using to use a set of instruction to the system, that is a programming language. Like say we all are doing the communication, but the languages are different. We are doing the communication in Hindi, we are doing the communication in English, we are doing the communication in Telugu, Tamil. Many languages are there, different languages are there which we give the instruction or which we use in for communication. So for communication with the system or computer, we need one language, that is a programming language. Okay. Programming language is classified into three parts: high level language, middle level language, low level language. High level language like C++, object oriented languages are high level language like Java, .NET. Many languages are there in our market. Many languages are there for high level language. Middle level language, or you can say it is a procedural language like C. C language is the middle level language. It sometimes it is also known as a high level language. Or C, any programming there, any problem is there, we can solve by the C. That's why it is known as the procedural language or the middle level language. Low level language is a assembly language, which we work on the assembler. Okay? So that is the low level language, or you can say it is a machine language. Okay? We know that programming language, that is a language. I told that Hindi, English, Tamil, Telugu are the language by which we communicate anything. So with computer we have to communicate by the programming language. So for example, if I don't know Telugu or if I don't know Tamil, so I know Hindi and English. So we need one translator to translate me from Telugu to Hindi or English. So here also some translators are there which translate programming language to machine language, because computer only understand machine language, that is binary number, that is 0 and 1. So some translators are there which convert programming language to machine language. What are the translators? Assembler, compiler, translator, interpreter. Compiler and interpreter, that we use for the high level language and the middle level language, or this assembler is used for the low level language. Okay, so these two is used for the high level language. Okay, compiler and interpreter. What is compiler? Compiler convert computer program into machine language. Okay, so that is a compiler scan whole program at once and give the error. Or interpreter is also a translator. It act like a compiler, but what is the difference between interpreter work line by line. It scan the program and give the error. So interpreter take much time than compiler to scan whole program and give the error. So compiler nowadays in everywhere we use the compilers. Interpreter we also use in Python, we are using the interpreter, but it will work so that interpreter work slowly in a program. Okay, so what is the work of the translator? It convert source code to the machine language in the form of computer understandable language. Assembler is a computer translator which translate low level language into machine language. Okay, so these are the computer translator by which we translate the data into computer understandable language. So thank you for this. If you like this video, just like and subscribe. Thank you so much. We will come with another video of unit 1. Till then, bye bye.